Good morning, Amari. Where have you been? Where did you go last night? You keep going out. You keep running away. You must stop it now. And now when you come in the morning, Mommy can't get to sleep. It's Saturday morning and I need to get my rest. Yes. Amari, why are you so naughty? Look at the garden. You know Mommy worked hard yesterday. Look, Mommy has corns. Look at the corns. Look at the tomato, the purple kale. Are you going to do gardening today? Are you? And there's my cabbage. Don't go. Listen, get out of my cabbage. Amari, Jesus of mercy. Amari, don't. Amari, are you mess? What Amari doing? Are you wrecking? Amari's wrecking look at my corns and my cucumbers and my peppers. And Amari's trying to wreck the place. Amari, don't wreck. Come on. Amari. Amari. Where did you go? You went to a party last night? You went to a party? Did you go to a party? Yeah? And you want to come in now? So Mommy now have to get out of her bed to give you to clean you down. Don't damage listen, don't damage my greenhouse. I'll have to come and inspect that greenhouse, because Amari, say I think Amari damaged my greenhouse. Anyway, Mommy's gonna come and open the door for you now. Huh? You love Mommy? Yeah? And Mommy love you too. But you must stop running away. Don't. I'm coming to open the door now. Enjoy the garden. Look how nice the garden is. Look at Mommy. Look, Mommy work hard. Look at her tomatoes ripen. Jesus of mercy. Amari, get down. Look at Amari. Amari's on top of the greenhouse. Jesus help us, Lord. Amari, go and mash up the greenhouse. Amari. Amari, get down off the greenhouse. No, I'm coming now. Jesus. Amari, get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Look, you look like you damaged the green. Amari, you're naughty. Who's it? Amari, that's Amari. Amari hell bent on mashing up the greenhouse. All right. I see you. All right, Mommy coming now.